I knew since the beginning that I wanted to study psychology. I mean, we came from a very traumatic background.
Nayeli Cisneros was an 8-year-old when she moved to the United States with her family from Mexico.
I mean, there was violence in Mexico. I mean, I would sit in my living room hearing the news that women were being raped and killed and just left in the desert. So as a child, like walking around knowing that that could happen to me, I mean, it was a dangerous place. So I knew that my family was affected by it. I was affected by it. So I just wanted to help people, right? I was helping my mom through all her trauma. And I was her little therapist by that age. So I knew that that's what I wanted to do when I was older.
Nayeli is 21 now and just graduated from Metropolitan State University, Denver, with a degree in psychology.
Well, the trauma doesn't stay in Mexico. The trauma comes with them.
As a Latina, she hopes to help fill a well-known need in her community for mental health professionals like her.
I want to help my community. I want to bring those resources. I don't want it to just continue to be, I read this, this mental health tool in English and then translate it to you in Spanish. Because that's not how it works, right? Culture is not translated through just words.
Nayeli says she initially had some doubts about pursuing higher education because of her citizenship status.
I came into higher education knowing that I would not probably be able to use my degree because I didn't have a status here. I was just undocumented. So I wasn't going to be able to work in the field that I wanted to. So most of my time I spent volunteering because I knew that I couldn't work. But then in September of 2020 that I received my work permit, I was waiting for that day. I had no idea that that's how it was going to go, but I was waiting for the day that I was going to be able to. So everything was prepared. Everything was lined up for me. I knew that I wasn't going to stop because that wasn't a reality for me yet. And so when it became a reality, I did not stop.
One reason she didn't stop was her family.
She's a super mom. She's been there through everything.
Nuestro orgullo, nuestra fuerza, nuestro entusiasmo significan muchas cosas para nosotros.
My dad, how he's told me, if anybody could do it, then it's you.
Una gran admiración por ser mujer y que sea un ejemplo para muchas mujercitas, jovencitas que se superen y vean como un ejemplo que todo se puede lograr cuando se quiere.
My little brother makes the less funniest jokes which make you laugh. He's not funny at all, and that's why it's funny.
I'm proud about her being a therapist, but also I just really like her being my sister.
Nayeli has advice for young adults in her situation. Never give up.
When you hear somebody else's story, it motivates you. You think, well, if she was able to do that, if he was able to do that, then so should I, right? Or you follow their path, or you think about they were able to make it. I should find a way as well.